How to turn on dark mode for YouTube on your PC. So as you can see, YouTube right here on my device is on light mode. This works on both Android and your iOS Mac. And first what you have to do is open your Chrome browser and then tap on these three lines. From here, click on extensions and you have an option to visit Chrome Web Store. Now from here you can just search for dark mode YouTube, and you have different options right here. So I'm just going to search for dark mode, and here you see different options. I'm going to select this one. It has a nice rating, so I'm just going to click on add to Chrome. So if you add extension, it will be added right here on your downloads. And now the extension has been added. Now all you have to do is head over to your extension, just click on it, and it will turn on the dark mode. So once this is turned on, you can just refresh your website and it will be converted to dark mode. And that's how you turn on dark mode for YouTube on Chrome. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next one.